Dexter and I are matching. Look, we have little kitty ears.
Hey, what's up you guys?
Welcome back to our channel.
My name is Ashley.
And I'm Alyssa.
And today we're doing Henna Freckles.
So Ashley is my boyfriend's older sister, and you guys should go ahead and check out her channel. She posts outfit hauls and beauty videos, fashion videos, and yeah, they're really great.
So we ordered henna from a company called
Me Henna.
We've been trying to make this video since we both started our YouTube channel.
Yeah.
So it's been a while. We finally decided today that we're gonna do our freckles. We watched a couple of tutorials on how to do this. One of the tutorials we watched was by Natalia Taylor. Her video was sponsored by this company and her freckles turned out so cute. So one night I texted Alyssa and I was like, hey, would you do henna freckles with me? She said, yeah. So I bought them and then they sat in my fridge for about 2 months.
Step number 1 is to defrost the henna cone for 20 minutes. Remove the needle tip from the cone and then start.
Step number 2, Alyssa.
Get comfortable with cone and practice making dots on a piece of paper.
Step number 3.
Make sure to wash your face and secure hair back before starting application. Step 4, start to apply henna freckles in a scattered pattern on the bridges of your nose and cheeks. Add freckles to your forehead and chin to complete the look. Leave henna on for at least 2 hours for good color.
Okay, but Natalia Taylor said 55 minutes is like the time.
Okay.
I think at 55 minutes, that's when we like peel off a couple and see how it looks.
Okay. Last step is to remove dried paste. Use paper towel and coconut oil to help rub off. And avoid washing face for 4 hours for best results.
We have our henna sticks that are defrosting. It's actually feeling very weird. We got a bunch of stencils. We have never-ending henna.
Yeah.
You ready to do this once a week?
Oh yeah.
Well, I'm definitely gonna do this one.
Okay.
Alyssa had another accident.
Uh-oh.
I'm calling your mom.
It's not the first time I pooped my pants.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Did you do that when you were a kid?
Yeah. It was like 4 years ago. I was pretty old.
Oh. You pooped your pants? Oh, interesting. Why? What happened?
That's a story for another video.
You're gonna do a story time?
Maybe.
When I was a kid, I used to have a lot of accidents.
I never had an accident as a kid. Only, of course, when I was 16 years old. I couldn't believe it either.
So just start up there and go for it.
Did he do it? It kind of does smell good. I think that I'm done.
55?
Okay. So. Wait, it's so weird. Okay, wait. Oh my god. No, I cannot do it. I can't do it.
Holy crap, I have so many on me.
All freckled up.
And we set the timer for 55 minutes. So while we wait for the timer, okay, I am for sure doing the heartbreak. And then I wanted to do like another small one.
Fill in the stencil with a thick layer of henna paste. Use the spatula tool.
What?
Spatula tool. Okay.
Yeah, but we didn't get a spatula.
You have to let it dry for 30 minutes and then leave on for 2 hours.
What?
Oh,
Alright, give me your arm.
Alright.
It comes out fast, right?
Yeah.
It just starts pouring out.
Should I text him?
Yeah, say.
I'll call him. I think the mustache would be funny.
Okay, where do we do it though? Like on his wrist?
On the bottom of his back.
A tramp stamp? I don't think he'll let us do that. All right, turn around, Nick. Back
now
up.
walk back. Now walk to us.
No, Nick.
Turn around.
Yeah, we already picked one out for you.
Oh, you're doing. Oh.
This is the one we're doing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
He can't see it. Don't see it. No, it's a surprise.
He won't know what it is.
Did it. Got it.
Bye.
Have fun.
That's your boyfriend.
He loves it.
Alright, I'm doing my initials. It's not gonna be straight. That doesn't even look like an A. Okay.
Thank you.
You're
Wow.
welcome. Wait. Don't you wish I was good at this?
You are.
Aww. How cute. So we waited the 55 minutes and I peeled a couple off and I can't really see much, like it's very dim. So I think we're gonna keep it on for another 20 minutes and we'll be right back. So it's been about an hour and 20 minutes. So we're gonna take this off. I've already been kind of like scratching my face on accident and it just falls off.
Time for the big reveal, guys.
Okay, this makes me nervous.
Oh no. I
What?
don't want to do it. Oh, I want to see how yours look first.
I don't have anything on there.
Let me see. Oh wait, go in the sun. So they didn't really show up that much, so we're gonna go ahead and do it one more time. We're gonna try and make the dots thicker and we're gonna leave it on for 3 hours this time.
Wait.
Oh, it's
Do you
just a
roll it on
rolling?
there?
That's so fun.
So we just put on our coconut oil to help bring out the freckles. And we're gonna wait an hour before we redo the freckles. If they still don't show up, we're gonna do it again. We'll be right back in an hour.
Oh. So we redid the henna freckles and this time we waited 2 hours before we took them off and they still look like crap. I don't know if you guys can see it, but they kind of just look like I took an orange marker and just went on my face.
Let's see if you can see mine. Yeah, mine are like more of red dots.
Yeah, it's not really the like brown.
Yeah, it
So-
turned out orangey. Great. Show yours with the light.
Oh my god, I look, honestly, no, it's, no.
It's not. That's not.
I look like Bambi. I just wanted to show what the freckles looked like after 3 days of having them, and they got a lot darker. They're no longer orange, so they actually look kind of believable now. So yeah, I guess that's good, right? Hi guys, so I just woke up. My bangs are kind of being crazy, but whatever. I think it has been, how long has it been? Maybe 4 or 5 days since I did the henna freckles. They are barely there anymore. I just wanted to show how much the henna faded. But the ones that are there look believable. Like they actually look like freckles. And I know at first I said that they looked orange, but after a few days they got a lot darker. I kind of forgot how henna works. You have to, like at first when you do it, it's kind of orangey. You have to wait a couple days for them to darken. So once they finally darken, they actually looked really cute and really good. And I wish I had a good video showing them. I might do them again. I'm probably gonna keep doing it again because they're really cute and I really like them. But yeah, you can kind of see some of them now. Yeah, actually, if you want freckles, I would recommend doing henna freckles on yourself.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And we will see you guys next week.
All right,
bye.
Hi guys, and welcome.
I say we try the intro together.
So like simultaneously.
Hi guys.
Welcome back to my channel.
Yeah, that's not it.